In this video, we're going to be embedding a Spark video into a OneNote page. Now, what I love about Spark Video is the ability for you to put together really simple and engaging presentations using voice, video, icons, captions, and lots of other easy to author content. And what I have here is an art critique. And I'll show you how easy it is to simply take this content from Spark Video and to put it straight into a OneNote page. So having created our presentation, we go to the share button at the top and we click on publish. Now the first time you do that, you'll be creating a publish link, and it will take a little while for it to render and create that link. At the end of it, you'll see this copy option, and we simply click this button and we've now got the link copied to the clipboard. We don't need to use any of these other button options below. I'm now going to go into my OneNote desktop app, and on this page I'm simply going to paste from the clipboard. And you can see how after a short period of time the link converts into the title of your Spark video, and you also have a thumbnail. Now what's fantastic about embedding Spark videos is they can play straight off a OneNote page. So when I click this button, in 2009, sculptor Ai Weiwei created Remembering. And the video plays much like a YouTube video or any other video streamed content that we would put on a OneNote page. And that's how simple it is. We simply grab the link from Spark Video and we paste it straight into a OneNote page. And it's a great way to make your content more engaging and to inject creativity into your teaching and learning using OneNote and Adobe Spark.